Guys, Grease Monkey 34 here. Come to a video about gonna go pick up some quad tires from a guy for the Polaris Sportsman project with the 420 in it. So let's get on the road already. Got the dog with us, and it should be a short trip to get over there and grab these tires. Okay guys, just got back. Filled up the tank with some diesel and give this truck a nice wash. Went down some back roads, but we got them. Got some nice Silverbacks, 30-inch. I gave them a pressure wash. They were a little bit dirty, but yeah, there are tons of lug still left on them. Gonna clean them up a little bit when we get back, but yeah, got a good deal on these guys. Okay guys, got them all cleaned up next to the quad. Looking pretty snazzy. Definitely going to raise it up a bit. There's a little bit of a difference, and these ones are not even blown up. But yeah, so let's go put them on some rims. Okay guys. Got the quad, got something going on here. So what we're going to be doing, that I need some 14-inch rims for these tires. And the good old wagon, just sitting around doing nothing, gonna donate some 14-inch rims from these guys. But you're gonna say, yeah, these are 5-bolt. That's not going to really matter to me, because these hubs, or I don't know what they're called, the center part of the rim, on the back side, they did weld it in, like tack welds. If you cut those tack welds, you can take this whole centerpiece out and replace it with a different centerpiece. And it just so happens, this centerpiece, from here to here, is 12 inches. And what is a normal quad rim? Normal quad rims are 12 inches. At least the inside part of the rim is. But once you get that lined up, they should be perfectly centered inside. And all you have to do is do a little tack weld, and there we go. Yeah, but these rims are going to get donated to, or the outside pieces of the rim, the 14s, are going to get donated to make this thing happen. Okay guys, got all the tires off the car and swapped over. So these are the 3 here, and then there's the one over by the tire machine. So not going to be pretty quick to take the tires off. So okay guys, got one rim off. So what I did just cut around the inside. There's a couple like little beads of weld to get that piece off, and then I just crisscrossed it, and it comes right out. I'll show you. On the back of the rims, there's a little small like weld right across here. You have to cut that out. And then on these are my spare Polaris rims. I don't care what happens to them. Like those are my good ones. I did paint them, yeah. But on the back side, I just cut a groove with the angle grinder, so you can get in there and get this piece off, because you don't need the back piece. And all you have to do, take this front piece. This is the front rim. Take this and slap it right onto that one. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so this is the front part of the rim. So I get to keep the welds and everything for holding the center piece in. So all you do is just cut that bit off, and you just smack it into there. It's pretty much simple. You can do it a couple different ways. You can go from the back side and set it in, just like that, because it fit perfect all around. It should be perfectly centered. There's that way we can make it like look like about a 1/2 inch offset on, yeah, space out, so about Yeah. Or we can go from the other side and make it. You just got the car. I got to carve a little groove, like a little tiny groove for the valves. This valve stem, because we got to keep this one, so it will fit in there, nice and fresh. And or you can have this type offset. So there are like multiple choices you can have. I don't know what I'm gonna have. I'm probably gonna do it this way, do the little notch, and weld it in that way. It probably look better too that way. Okay, guys. Got a couple of them cut out. All the centers of the car rims have been cut out. So that the whole. Got the 2 front ones done. Working on the 2 back ones. And how I'm doing it, I'm bolting it to the quad. And taking the angle grinder, because it's so fast. Just carving a groove. Very slowly. Make sure the quad is all secure. Then 2-wheel drive. Front wheels are blocked. Got a strap to the post, and it up on jacks on the back, so it can't really go anywhere. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. Super fast, super easy to cut them off. Okay, guys, I'm back. Got the other 2 done completely. So these are the rears. They are deeper dish. They go down a little bit more. They go down about 1 inch than the front ones, and that to calibrate the front end, because the front end is actually wider than the rear end. About 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches wider. So that to calibrate that. It cut the same way. Cut on the back side where the welds are, and on the front side I just took the lip off. As you can see on those piles there, 4 lips where a tire used to sit, but not anymore. So now they all nice and flat. So they move side to side about 1/8 of an inch. So I'm gonna adjust them to perfect, tack weld them, put them on the machine, rotate, like start the engine and let it rotate and see if it off balance at all. If it is, just break the welds and redo it again until you get it right. So that one I'm going to start doing on these 4, and I'll be back with you guys when I get something done. Okay, guys, got them tack welded, just on the 4 corners on all of them, and I put all 4 of them, each one separate, on the back tire, and I started up and ran it, and they all almost perfectly balanced. So I did a pretty good job. So now I'm gonna fully weld these, not fully, but put big thick beads, probably about 2 to 3 inches long, in four ways, and then sand them up a little bit on the outer edge, and then get them a nice little paint job of blue. Okay, guys, got all the rims painted. At least 1 coat so far, and I'm going to put a 2nd coat and then clear coat on top of that. Then those are them, looking pretty good. And we're going to be putting some of these tires on them. Some the Silverbacks we got. The 2 of them got way more tread than the other 2. So those 2 are going to be front tires. They got about 1 inch of tread, and then these ones have got 1.25 inches still. So we're going to be putting these ones on the back and those ones on the front. And they're going to be using the good old tire machine to do that. Okay, guys, got the tires done. Got to put them on the rig. Right now they're just floating there. Got to take the old ones off, but you can see the height difference is so much more. So we're going to slop it on and then go taste it for a ride. Hey guys, got the tires on. Got them bolted up. Gonna need a little bit of trimming on the front, just on those corners. But other than that, they clear everything else. And right now they are over freighted. Tons of room here. And they're about 1.5 inches spaced out with the rim setup. So they're more stable, plus it's higher up. So it works its way around. and way more clearance. I think there's like 15 inches of the ground clearance on the front and 17 on the rear. So it's really good. So let's fire everything up and take it for a ride. Hey guys, runs pretty good. It does run on the fender a little bit, but a little sawzall trip wouldn't be too bad. So I'm gonna take it for a little ride around the yard, I think. Kira, do you see them chipmunks? Good dog. But yeah, there we go. Quad load on the back of the truck. I'm liking these new tires, so much grip. I gotta deflate them. Right now they overinflated because I just put them on the rims. I want it to seat nice and on the rims. Gotta take it for another ride before that happens. And deflate them a little bit. But yeah, the thing ran great with the size of tires. I thought it would have a little less power, but it's still got the same torque because that big 420 in there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.